Welcome to Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds that I was able to get on Run Deals this week. Make sure you're tuning in weekly because I always have something new in store for you. Are you listening to your Audible right now and really don't want people to hear what you're reading about? Are you on a plane and can't use your device because you don't have headphones? Go ahead and get on Run Deals and check out what you can have right now. This right here are foldable headphones. We're going to go inside a little bit deeper so you can check out this awesome headphone gear. So let's check out these awesome headphones. They come in several colors. I have the shimmery looking pink and also the blue. Let's go ahead inside. All right, so I'm in love. I love how deep royal blue this is with a splash of light blue. Okay, I'm loving the flexibility of the headphones. You can also fold them back. Better to put up in a bag. I'm loving the cord. Very cool. Now I'm going to check out the pink ones. These are pink and white. More of a shimmer pink. White cord. As you can see, nice size headphone, adult headphones. Cool. Alright, so let me try them on so you can know how they feel. Good size. Ooh, they stretch out a little bit more if your head's a little bit bigger, if you have bigger hair, which is cool. I love how they feel on my ears. They're not gripping, they're not hard, they're nice and soft. And I'm knowing I'm going to be listening to some awesome tunes right through here. I'm loving it. I hope you all enjoyed all of those deals today. Make sure you're downloading that app and also following Run Deals on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Why wouldn't you do it?